Hello, my name is Jo Searle and I'm a primary PE lead. I'm also passionate about children learning to swim. So as part of my role, I need to ensure my pupils meet age-related expectations. The reason we teach our children to swim is primarily to ensure they are safe around water. An understanding of water safety, therefore, is part of what we should teach within the primary curriculum, some of which can be covered at school by non-swimming specialists. I have developed a scheme of work to assist primary schools in their delivery of water safety, which can be found on the Learn Sheffield website. So I'm going to share my screen. And take you to the Learn Sheffield website. So we're going to click on PESPA, click on swimming, which will take you to the water safety page. I'm going to click into the link here, which again will take me to the scheme of work. Now the scheme of work has 20 more or less discrete lessons, so although some have progressive elements, all of which are cross-curricular. This means you can dip in and out depending on the water safety theme you want to deliver and the subject you want to deliver it through. So just to take you through the water safety scheme itself, we've got the cross-curricular links here. Now these are all colour-coded. So for example, blue has a link to literacy lessons, green to science, and pink PSHE, drama, and there's some design elements within there as well. But all the lessons have a water safety theme integral to the learning. So across the top here, this is the water safety focus or theme you might want to concentrate on or you might want to cover. This is the order, although really, as I say, the lessons are all discrete, but there's a little bit of progression of understanding within those lessons. The resources are listed here, although the links are within the lesson plans and the PowerPoint, which I'll show you in a minute. There is a corresponding swimming service water safety scheme of work, which I've tried to link in here. And there are some paper resources, recap sheets, possibly for morning start work or wet play times. So returning to the lesson plans, and again, they are colour-coded down the side here, so blue, pink and green. I might, for instance, want to teach a science lesson around working scientifically. So lesson 12 has cold water shock as the water safety theme. Within this, there is the lesson plan, the PowerPoint, and various paper resources should you want to print them. Lesson 13 continues with the theme of cold water shock and its impact, but there is a report to write. So this is taught very much predominantly through a literacy lesson. Lesson 14 returns to science, and this is designing a wetsuit. So there are some design elements within there and looking at properties and changes of material. Lesson 15 has a story around saving lives. So the theme is float to live, life-saving techniques, but there is a link to a BBC news article around a boy who had a very near miss in July 2020. So I hope these lessons are useful. I have taught all of them in the scheme of work to different year groups during the last 2 years, including times when we were unable to swim due to lockdowns and pool closure. There is a plethora of useful resources and interesting resources available through the RNLI, the Red Cross, the Royal Life Saving Society, and Swim England websites, many of which I've included here. Some of the resources are more suited to upper key stage 2, whereas the Longfellow whale tales are aimed at lower key stage 2. So as I say, I hope you'll find this scheme of work helpful when providing the theory behind the practical swimming lessons delivered by the Sheffield School Swimming Service.